It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm thrilled that you're joining me for a 3-minute journey. If you quietly follow along, I would greatly appreciate it. Get ready for some exciting adventures. Yangon, the largest city in Myanmar, is known for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant festivals. Here are some of the festivals and cultural celebrations in Yangon, where you can immerse yourself in local traditions. Thingyan Water Festival. Thingyan is the most celebrated festival in Myanmar and takes place in mid-April. It marks the traditional Burmese New Year, and is a time of joyous water fights and cleansing rituals. In Yangon, the festival is celebrated with gusto, with people splashing water on each other. Traditional music and dance performances, and street processions. Shwedagon Pagoda Festival. The Shwedagon Pagoda is Yangon's most iconic landmark and a sacred Buddhist site. The annual Shwedagon Pagoda Festival, held during the full moon of the lunar month of Tabong, usually in March, is a grand celebration. Pilgrims from all over the country flock to the pagoda to make offerings, listen to sermons, and participate in various religious ceremonies. Tazongdang Festival, also known as the Festival of Lights. Tazongdang is celebrated in November, marking the end of the rainy season. The festival involves the illumination of pagodas, houses, and public spaces with thousands of oil lamps. There are also hot air balloon competitions and traditional dances, making it a visually spectacular and festive occasion. Naga New Year Festival. The Naga people, an ethnic minority group in Myanmar, have their own unique traditions and culture. The Naga New Year Festival is held in January, and is an opportunity to witness their vibrant dances, music, and traditional attire. The festival showcases the cultural diversity of Myanmar, and provides insights into the indigenous communities. Chinlone Festival. Chinlone is a traditional Burmese sport that combines elements of soccer and dance. The Chinlone Festival, held in Yangon and other parts of Myanmar, is a celebration of this unique sport. Teams compete against each other in friendly matches, showcasing their skills and agility. Visitors can join in the festivities, and even try their hand at playing Chinlone. Full Moon Festivals. Myanmar follows the lunar calendar, and full moon days hold religious significance. During full moon festivals, such as the full moon of Tabong, or the full moon of Waso, Yangon's pagodas and monasteries are adorned with lights and decorations. Devotees gather to make offerings, listen to Dharma talks, and participate in merit-making activities. Independence Day celebrations. On January 4th, Myanmar commemorates its independence from British colonial rule. Yangon hosts various events, including parades, cultural performances, and traditional games. It's a time to reflect on the nation's history and pay tribute to the freedom fighters, who played a pivotal role in gaining Ain. Sub.